Alright, welcome to tonight's auto reviews for Thursday, January 4th. As you can see in front of me, decided a McDonald's Kerwin Frost box. Remember when McDonald's did their had all have meals last year? Well, obviously they decided to do this. I don't know why, but hey, that's what it is. I didn't even know who he was until I did research on him and his name. But all it is pretty much is just, if I can get this to open, that'd be fantastic. Pretty much all it is, you get Big Mac or 10-piece nuggets, the fries, and a special toy. Honestly, there's nothing really much I can say about this, but I'll do it because you guys are going to want me to actually do a review on this, so give me a second. Well, here we go. As usual, Big Mac. Obviously, you know, the classic as well. Just depending on how you want to look at it. Could say a 2, well, not 2, but like a 3.5, 4. Fries, 4.5. So, sorry, let's say short one for tonight. Just want to enjoy my stuff. I got some more stuff planned. I'm gonna try planning out throughout the week that I can get to. But other than that, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time on the Ultimate Food Reviews.